The discovery of America is a significant event in history, marking the beginning of a new era for Europe and the rest of the world. This discovery took place in 1492 by an Italian explorer, Christopher Columbus, who attempted to reach India by sailing westward under the patronage of Queen Isabella and King Ferdinand of Spain. In the late 15th century, European nations were searching for new routes to India and China for trade. Land routes had become long, dangerous, and expensive, and were largely blocked due to the control of the Ottoman Empire. In this context, Columbus proposed the idea that sailing westward across the ocean could be a way to reach Asia. Columbus began his voyage on 3 August 1492 from the Spanish port of Palos with 3 ships, the Santa Maria, the Pinta, and the Nina. On 12 October 1492, he reached an island in the Bahamas, which he named San Salvador. Columbus believed he had reached the eastern islands of Asia, but in reality, he had arrived at an entirely new continent. Although Columbus discovered America, the continent was named after Amerigo Vespucci, an Italian navigator who was the first to state that this new land was not Asia, but a separate continent. In 1507, a German mapmaker named Martin Waldseemüller used the name America for the first time for this continent. The discovery of America changed the world drastically. European powers established colonial systems, which led to the destruction of Native American civilizations such as the Maya, Aztec, and Inca. Millions of indigenous people died due to diseases, wars, and slavery. Columbus' arrival in America was not only geographically important but also brought significant changes to the world's politics, economy, culture, and demographics. This discovery led to the division of the world into the old and new continents and marked the beginning of modern global history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.